Hey everyone, Dylan from Flow Designs here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the spoiler extension on a CN7 N-Line. It's a pretty simple install. All you'll need is a microfiber towel, a pair of scissors, and the fitting kit included with your purchase. Let's get into it. So the first step is to give the car a wipe with a microfiber to get rid of any dust before using the alcohol wipe provided on the car as well as the inside of the spoiler extension. So once everything's clean, it's time to put on the adhesion promoter. Basically, you grab the piece and you break it in half, and then let the liquid run to the cotton bud at the end. Once it reaches, you apply it to the car and the spoiler extension. Once you've put on the adhesion promoter, the tape goes onto the spoiler extension. There's two layers. So the first one goes on the top. Once you've put the tape on, the three separate pieces, peel off the edges and line up the piece using the existing edges on the factory spoiler. Holding the peeled edges, do your best to align it to the edges and place it on the car. Once the spoiler is in position, you can pull the tape and hold it from the center. Once it's all peeled off, make sure you hold on to the spoiler for at least 2 minutes, taking particular care with the center and the edges. And with that, the spoiler extension is fully installed. Hope you learned something, and if you have any questions or inquiries, click the link in the bio. Thanks for watching.